Hi and hello everybody. We are here in the group 8 to present you the BRD assessment, which is based on the University Industry Collaboration for Sustainability and Logistics, which is in regards to the company TOL. And I'm Sachin, who will be starting off with the presentation for you people. Let me start off with an introduction. University industry partnerships has been considered as a means to enhance knowledge exchange and innovation. As we all know, university industry partnerships are increasingly important in today's knowledge economy. They serve as a bridge between academic innovation and practical business challenges. Through collaborating, both parties, the universities and the industries, can create values, enhancing their capabilities while also contributing broader economic and social goals. For Toll, this partnership offers an opportunity to align with logistics expertise with sustainability focused research, directly contributing to the United Nations Sustainability Development Goals. This approach not only supports innovation but also enhances responsibility and future ready opportunities. However, like any partnership or business or any people's life, we face problems, right? Just like that, this university industry collaboration faces few problems as well. And we call them the wicked problems. And let me take you to the key challenges that we'll be facing in it. Capital constraints, where both academy and industry teams are stretched thin, restricted access to toll personals, which hampers deep collaboration between the universities and the industry, data unavailability and inaccessibility, which creates barrier to meaningful research insights, funding limitations, often restricting the scope of what can be achieved through the research, knowledge gaps, where academic and practical understandings don't always align, and finally, the research practice gap, meaning findings don't always translate smoothly into action. These challenges set the stage for proposed solutions, and my teammates here will be taking to the proposed solutions in
So now
upcoming
we're going
slides.
to see about the empathy map for university, which will give insight into the experience. I think can feel overwhelmed by the academic pressure and the future career uncertainty, while simultaneously hoping to build meaningful relationship and developing valuable skills. Or they hear very gently from their expectation to play advice about the course and opportunity. Visually, they observe the competitive environment with diverse study habits and social activity across campus. These pain points include the financial stress, time management challenges, and fear of failure, while they gain career center around the knowledge acquisition, personal growth, and building a professional network. Understanding this perspective allows us to better support the student throughout their academic journey by addressing both the explicit need and underlying concern. In this thing, we're going to see out the empathy map for the tool group and shows interesting pattern across the organization. They think and feel the concern about the operation efficiency, the security, and meeting performance target. They regularly hear updates about the company procedures, industry changes, and feedback from the management and customers. In their daily environment, they see a logistic operation, delivery schedule, and interaction between the teams and departments. The pain points including the tight deadline and communication breakdowns and adapting to new technologies, while they gain resolve around the career advancement, a consideration of their contributions and successful completed project. This empathy mapping exercise helps us to identify opportunity to improve the employee satisfaction and streamlining the process and enhance the both internal and external communication channel.
So now I would like to speak about the solution that we are going to implement or we are suggesting to implement for the wicked problems that we have identified in the previous slides. So one of the problems that we identified was that there was lack of access to all personnel and it was difficult to carry out university industry collaborations. So for that, we are suggesting the implementation of a data sandbox, which can strengthen the collaboration between toll group and universities, and also accelerate the innovation and sustainable solutions that need to be implemented for toll group. So if we talk about what exactly is a data sandbox is a secure and isolated environment where teams within the university and toll group can get together and safely access, explore and analyze data sets without impacting the live business operations or the systems or violating any data and data privacy policies. You can think of this as a digital workshop for data experimenting, modeling, testing, where it can happen freely within controlled boundaries without affecting their daily operations or the internal systems of toll group, because how it happens is the data will be taken out, cleaned, and entered into the data sandbox for university students to carry out research. Also, this can help to develop a model where analytics can be carried out for toll group and to develop their innovative solutions and their sustainable strategies. Now, when it comes to the benefits of using the data sandbox as a solution to toll groups, university industry collaborations, firstly, for toll group, if we talk about toll group, it enables safe, low risk innovation, access to cutting edge research, and the ability to test ideas before implementing it. So it's like testing something without actually affecting the toll group's logistics operations. Secondly, if we talk about the university students, for universities and for the university students, it offers hands on learning experience, a meaningful industry exposure, and research opportunities grounded in real world problems compared to the theoretical knowledge they receive. Also, altogether, the data sandbox solution will foster a cycle of knowledge exchange, helping to solve complex challenges such as decarbonizing the transport operations or the logistics operations and enhancing efficiency and improving customer outcomes, and also improving their sustainable impact in the supply chain. So I feel that implementing a data sandbox tutorial group will enhance the efficiency of their university industry collaborations.
In this slide, I will explain how our solution, the Data Sandbox, supports SDG 17 partnerships for the goals. One of the key issues in university industry collaboration is balancing the need for student learning with the need for companies like Toll to protect sensitive data. Our solution, the Data Sandbox, it provides a structured and trust-based environment that makes collaboration possible without sharing real operational data. And it also promotes alignment between university and industry goals, particularly around sustainability. And what's unique is that it encourages multi stakeholder engagement involving students, academics, and professionals in the process. And also, it enables co creation of ideas that deliver value to everyone. Now let's look at how the Data Sandbox supports SDG 9, Industry Innovation and Infrastructure. The Data Sandbox serves as a resilient digital infrastructure where students can explore logistic scenarios, experiment with ideas, and simulate real world processes. It also offers a safe space for practical research where students apply classroom knowledge to realistic industry problems without needing direct access to sensitive systems. Moreover, this fosters inclusive innovations, giving students with different academic backgrounds a hands on way to engage with industry. And importantly, it supports logistics and supply chain improvements by testing ideas that could eventually lead to more efficient, sustainable practices in the real world. So these are the two SDGs that our solution is most aligned with.
Yeah, so now I'll be going through the full implementation timeline for the solution designed for Toll Group. We begin in month 1 with planning and alignment, where we bring together Toll Group and university teams to set clear objectives, define user needs, and establish a shared project charter. In month 2, the focus moves to design and technology selection. This includes choosing whether to build the platform in house or through a third party provider. and designing security features, access roles, and overall architecture. With the foundation in place, months 3 and 4 are dedicated to infrastructure setup, building the servers, dashboards, and anonymization tools needed to handle real world data securely. Month 5 involves internal testing, where Toll uploads sample data sets to validate usability, functionality, and security. As we move on to month 6, we launch a beta test with selected university users. This small scale rollout allows for feedback. In month 7, we focus on training and policy setup. This involves onboarding users and formalizing legal and data sharing agreements, leading to the full launch in month 8. Finally, the last phase evolves through real world usage, making this a continuous learning system rather than a one time setup, where the usage is tracked and improvements are made based on the outcomes. The overall timeline of 10 months allows technical development, stakeholder involvement, and feedback, all of which is critical for building a sustainable university industry collaboration that drives a real impact. Thank you.